All right, everyone. I think I'll call this a midweek Forex update because, well, I guess we've had Wednesday and then Thursdays today and then Friday. Because I don't really trade on Monday or Friday, so I guess it's the middle of the week for me. So let us have a look. Okay, shout out to Aaron. He was talking to me about my Aussie dollar. Just what my opinion is on it now. Well, I am overall bearish. We go to the monthly chart. It's pretty clear that things have not been looking too well, but it's at a point where it's almost. I think it got to a 10-year low nearly. We pretty much yeah yeah maybe even more than that because that's from 2006. So I'm not sure when that's from. Maybe a little bit later. So I think it was like more than a 10-year low. So is it a point of interest with this? It is. And I mean, it's not the most traded pair or whatever, but that candle's pretty interesting. So I'm not just going to go and say, yeah, like short it straight away. That's not. What I'll do is I'll probably use this whole week for the US to digest the Chinese yuan manipulation and go from there in regards to what they're going to do with their currency. As you can see, the volume has spiked quite a bit. I understand. I'm on one exchange, everyone's on different exchanges, but it's just interesting to see the sentiment. So you're going to have a lot of reversal buys. This may go back up to 70 cents. I mean, I really enjoy when it gets to a real key level, and that's when sentiment is where's strength at, and I would say, the bears are still very much in control. I'm sure there's a lot of hedge funds holding huge short positions on the Aussie dollar because I think it's a valid short. But that's all I'll say on that. It's just I'll use the whole week to digest for the US, to digest the situation with China and see what they're going to do, and we'll sort of go from there. But yeah, I mean, really, what needed to happen for this Aussie dollar to go to 60 cents and for me to really want to be shorting it would be the RBA would have cut rates. And that would have been like to the toilet bowl for the Aussie dollar. All right, so I'm still short Euro Yen as well. Here's my position. Nothing really exciting to say about that. I mean, as I look at this now, it is a little... it's still bullish, but I took the short, if we can. I saw this wick and this sell off here, so that's why. So, pardon me, everyone. Got to keep these videos short because the VPN does not like to hold up when I'm uploading YouTube video. It's frustrating, I know. I'm going to be in China until probably the 20th, and then I'm off to Calgary, so a little bit later than I thought. But it's not too bad. It's cheap here in China. It's good. So I took the short there, and as you can see, it's actually, it really moved quite strongly. Not strongly enough to move the stop loss, though. It was about 80% of the way, as you can see where my stop is and where price moves. So it's not quite good enough. Look, that's probably going to be the update because I've been talking for... No, I can a little bit longer. How about gold? I don't hold a gold position. I have gold ETFs. I added to them just as I got my tax return before all this happened. So I was pretty happy about that timing, but disappointed that I didn't really get into this. I was talking about it here for a breakout. Really, the candle would have been that, but, it is what it is. We'll see. I mean, it might pull back some more and go to 1600. We'll see. What I do see is that Donald Trump is just going to keep swinging and probably more tariffs. There's going to be more tariffs because they're going to be like, all right, well, that's what's going to happen. Breaking point, I don't know. Who knows? But what I can guarantee you is there's a lot of uncertainty. And, they are having a conference call something in September. We'll see the outcome of that. But I just, yeah. It's just going to keep driving the price higher is my call. Unless there's some sort of miracle. Which, I'd like to see actually, honestly. Just for the state of, the world economy, to be fair. and that no one blows each other up. So, but that's my conclusion. Aaron, Aussie dollar. I'll wait. For a swing trade, I'll wait for the end of this week, and then I'll see what happens on Monday, and we'll go from there. So nothing to be taken right now, guys. I'll keep everyone posted. Pound CAD short as well. Nothing quite there yet. Again, I'll keep everyone updated. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a great day.